Every time a new property listing goes live, real estate teams end up repeating the same work, writing emails, creating social posts, drafting ads, and updating website copy. Even though the property data already exists, marketing teams spend hours recreating content, which leads to delays, inconsistent messaging, and unnecessary effort. This is exactly the problem TinyCommand is built to solve. Let's walk through how this workflow works. We start by creating a property marketing request form using TinyForms. This form captures everything needed to market a listing: the property name, location, listing type, price range, unit configuration, key amenities, target buyer profile, marketing goal, and the platforms where content needs to be generated. We also allow image and video uploads, so visuals for the property are captured right at the start. Once the form is published, TinyCommand automatically creates a response table where every submission is stored and structured. Now we move into the workflow. The workflow begins with a form trigger. The moment a property form is submitted, the automation starts instantly. No manual handoffs, no follow-ups. Right after that, we add a TinyGPT step that acts as a market and location researcher. This step goes beyond basic property details. It analyzes buyer demographics, lifestyle indicators, local market trends, connectivity advantages, and positioning angles, turning raw listing data into a strong, market-ready narrative. Next comes platform selection. In the form, users can choose multiple platforms at once: email, LinkedIn, Facebook ads, or website content. Because these selections are stored as an array, we use an iterator to process one platform at a time. An if-else step then routes the workflow based on the selected platform. If the user selects Gmail for email marketing, the workflow routes into a dedicated TinyGPT node. This TinyGPT is configured as a real estate email copywriter. It uses both the original property form data and the enriched market and location insights to create high-quality email content. The output includes multiple subject lines, a complete email body, clear calls to action, and a document title. This content then goes through a human-in-the-loop review. The reviewer receives a Gmail notification with a review link where they can approve or reject the content. Once approved, the workflow creates a Google Doc, stores the email content, retrieves the document link, and shares it with the user via Gmail. If LinkedIn is selected, the workflow moves into a TinyGPT node configured as a LinkedIn content strategist. Using the same property details and market research, TinyGPT generates a professional, platform-optimized LinkedIn post with a strong narrative and a clear call to action. After human-in-the-loop approval, the post is published directly to LinkedIn, and the user is notified that it's live. If Facebook ads are selected, TinyGPT acts as a Facebook ad copywriter. It generates multiple ad variations, including primary text, headlines, calls to action, and different positioning angles like lifestyle-focused, investment-driven, and urgency-based messaging. Once approved, the ad copy is saved to a Google Doc and shared with the user for campaign execution. For website listings, TinyGPT creates a complete property description. This includes value propositions, buyer-focused messaging, investment highlights, and clear calls to action. After review and approval, the content is automatically stored in a Google Doc, ready for publishing on the website. At the end of each platform path, everything connects to an array aggregator. This step is critical because the workflow may be running for multiple platforms at the same time. The array aggregator ensures the workflow waits until every selected platform finishes before completing. The result is simple. One property form submission turns into a complete multi-channel property marketing kit, fully researched, human-approved, organized, and ready to use. Now let's see how this workflow runs in real time. TinyCommand transforms real estate marketing from manual execution into scalable automation,